So we're going to look at each of these polymers and see what we use them for, and mainly what do we use them for, what are they made up of, and how are they made, and what are we using them for. Polyester is a polymer here. You could have, you can check your clothes and see whether they are made up of polyester. And then you compare with the clothes that you have that are made up of cotton. What's the difference between these clothes? When you put them on, how do you feel? Okay, so the polyester, just as the name suggests, poly means many. Ester, it is the functional group in this polymer. So the ester is a functional group, and it's there in each monomer. So these are usually found in natural forms, but also available in synthetic forms. The chitin that we find in plants has that, and then also in synthetic forms, polybutyrate is the synthetic form here. So some polyesters are biodegradable, but most of them are not. Okay? So polyesters can be used with natural fibers to enhance their fabric properties for using them in making these clothings and other fabric materials. So you have clothes that have polyester and also cotton. So you need to check your clothes and see, is it 100% cotton? Is it 50% polyester and 50% cotton? So that is a blend. So when they are blended, so if you have blends, it means that you're maximizing the advantages of polyester and you're maximizing advantages of cotton. So synthetic polyester is, for example, better in resisting water, wind, and environmental resistance. Okay, and cotton may not be good at this. So when you combine the two, you have better properties. Polyester also, it is easily melted when ignited. So that means that if you have, for example, curtains that are made up of mainly, let us say, polyester, if they catch fire, the fire can spread faster compared to if the curtains are made up of cotton. So that's the whole point there. So if we are to go deep into the chemistry, we said poly means many. Ester is an organic compound that has the ester as the functional group. Okay, so for you to have this polyester, you need to obtain ethylene. Okay, this ethylene, we saw it earlier on. We can call it ethene. It has double bonds. You get it from petroleum. And then through a condensation reaction between these monomers, ethane 1,2-diol and benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. This is a condensation reaction, therefore you have a byproduct, and this byproduct is basically water. And you get this what? This polyester. Okay, so we saw that the moment we talk about polyester, please think about clothing. Okay, clothing, whether we're talking about bed sheets, blankets, or the clothes that you put on. Upholstery, this refers to the materials that we use in covering or cushioning furniture. Okay, the You can have chairs or tables that are covered, and you can use polyester material to cover these sofas, seats, chairs. In industries, we can use polyester for tapes, insulation, and tire reinforcement. Bottles, films, nails, LCDs, and filters can still use polyester. So, when you darten a material that is made up of polyester, you can easily clean it up, okay? It doesn't easily get too stained. So we are saying it is stain resistant. You can change the color. It can't change shape. I mean color. You cannot easily change color. And then you can dye it. You can change the what? You can change the color. Paint it with another color.